narcissistic rage. You were there, I stepped off the stage with your fingers in the wedding cake. You put your fingers all over my face, and I knew right there in that special place we were born to multiply. We could never give up.